This is Sogging Times, capturing your weather once again on Sunday, November the 15th, 2020. Oh my goodness. We are under high wind warnings, and believe me, they weren't kidding. We are also in a blackout. We've lost power. Oh, I don't know for how long. A couple of hours at least. It's hard to stand even against the wind. I'm sure I'm at a 45-degree angle. Our traffic lights are out. I guess they're on standby. Oh my goodness, the wind is unbelievable. Anyway, it's not raining. That's a plus. Oh dear. Once again, I'm having trouble standing here. It's Sunday, November 15th, 2020, in Southampton, Saugeen Shores, and we are under very high wind warnings. We were out driving this afternoon actually, and there are all kinds of tree branches down on the streets, and in one instance there was a complete tree down in Port Elgin. I know you can't see much because there isn't much to see in a blackout. Anyway, I have my little flashlight. Oh, Sogging Times, capturing your weather on Sunday, November 15th. 20. Quite a gust there. Almost blew me away. Let's follow my little flashlight home. Good night, all.